Welcome to Goa 365 English News Bulletin. I am Susan Gomes and these are the headlines. 1,410 new cases, 21 deaths recorded in the state on Thursday. Infectivity is almost 34%. National cases touch 3,15,000. Supreme Court intervenes, send notices to Centre on Oxygen, drug shortages. Second phase of polls for remaining 5 municipalities is all set to take place on Friday amid rising COVID-19 cases. Section 144 and night curfew counting will take place on the 26th of April. Dry weather prevailed over the state on Thursday, but it may rain after a couple of days. And now for the news in detail. Goa reported 1,410 COVID-19 cases in the last 24 hours out of 3,906 tests, taking the total tally to 72,224. Goa reported 21 deaths in the last 24 hours, taking the death toll to 964. Active cases in Goa stand at 10,228. India reported over 3.14 lakh new COVID-19 cases, the highest ever daily count recorded anywhere, and 2,104 succumbed to the disease. Here are the details.
21 COVID-19 related deaths were reported in last 24 hours. 11 deaths took place at JMC, 8 deaths at South Goa District Hospital and 2 patients brought dead at Azulo. Congress alleged that there is no clarity in direction in order issued on Wednesday to tackle rising COVID-19 cases. Congress also questioned why mild restriction issued to casinos.
Today, the government has totally failed in tackling this COVID epidemic, a pandemic of international proportions, and put every Goan to risk. I hear some 21 deaths today, 26 deaths yesterday or day before yesterday, and every day our fellow Goans dying very, very sad to this pandemic. What are we doing? The government's totally skewed priorities and wrong decisions, and I say wrong decisions, has given rise to this frightful situation that Goans are facing today. Why we issue this type of orders for Section 144? We still say that elections are going to go on. Counting is going to go on. There is no clarity how the 10 to 6 curfew is going to work under Section 144, on which my friend Joel will elaborate further. The situation regarding medication and medical supplies is even more dangerous. Our leader of opposition and CIP leader Mr. Digambar Kamath had already asked the government to provide a day-to-day report to Goans of what are the facilities in terms of the life-saving medication that is available with the government. Government is not ready to do it because they know the situation is not good.
After such a delayed period of time and the CM making a trip to Delhi and back, he comes and announces a very selective curfew. Are Sawant, your biggest hotspots is your North Goa beach belt. GMC is saying it's come on the front page of Times of India today. Besides your nightclubs, restaurants, the casinos, we are seeing reports and pictures every day. The casino is houseful. What is this 50% that you have announced? On what basis are you going to monitor them? And what is their capacity? Why is it that you haven't locked them up? And who are you scared of? Are you scared of the casino industry? Are you scared of the BJP national leadership? You people are still not serious. You all are busy patronizing this casino industry.
In the last 24 hours, 1410 new cases have tested positive. Our recovery rate as of now stands at 84.5%. Active cases have crossed the figure of 10,000. They are 10,228. We have 461 recoveries in the last 24 hours and 21 deaths. 90% of our cases are under home isolation as of now. 956 patients are admitted across the state of Goa, including private hospitals. Majority of them are at Goa Medical College and South Goa District Hospital.
सगळ्यांक विनंती आसा की हो जो सेकंड वेव आयला हो फर्स्ट वेवाकय खूप प्रमाणे डिफरंट आसा, म्हणजे वेगळोच आसा. हातून इन्फेक्टिविटी चड आसा आनी हातून आमी पळयला की ताची सिवियरिटी चड आसा. म्हणून म्हाका लोकांक एक सांगूंक जाय की तुमी कॅज्युअल घेवं नाका हो वेव. You should not take very casual attitude towards your social behavior. You must have proper COVID appropriate behavior. ह्या वेवान जर तुमकां चुकून सुद्धा जोर आयलो जाल्यार तुम्ही फर्स्ट थिंग इज यू फॉलो द प्रोटोकॉल विच इज गिवन इन होम आयसोलेशन किट. तुम्ही एंटीबायोटीक घ्या. तुम्ही जर डायबिटीक आसा आनी तुमकां जर जोर आयलो, तुमचो टेस्ट पॉझिटिव्ह आसा, ते ओरल हायपोग्लायसेमिक घेनाका. तुम्ही इन्सुलिन स्टार्ट करा. कित्याक सांग, ओरल हायपोग्लायसेमिकान कंट्रोल ऑफ डायबिटीज बरी आसना आनी हातूनच आमी खुबशे लोकांक पळयला की तांची निमोनिया वाडटा. आमकां जितले आज पर्यंत डेथ मेळ्ळा ते सगळे लेट प्रेझेंटेशन. म्हणजे कितें, ह्या लोकांनी 4-5 दीस सुद्धा डिले केल्यार तांचो सीटी सिवियरिटी स्कोर आसता तो खूब वाडटा. आनी हाका लागून खंयचे आयसीयू म्हणा जाल्यार तुम्ही टन्स ऑफ ऑक्सिजन सुद्धा पंप केले, तो लंग कॅनॉट टेक दिस कायंड ऑफ अ ट्रीटमेंट. तो लंग इज ऑलरेडी डॅमेज. दुसरी गजाल आसा की इम्पॉर्टन्स ऑफ वॅक्सिनेशन कितें, की जे आमी खुबशे लोक म्हणटा आमी 2य डोस घेतले तरी आमकां कोविड जाले. हरकत ना. हो वॅक्सीन 100% सेक्युरिटी दिना. आसा प्रोटेक्शन अबाउट 65 to 70% और 80%. पण एक आम्ही पळयला ह्या वेवान ज्या लोकांनी वॅक्सीन घेतला त्यांना सिवियरिटी ऑफ सिम्पटम्स कमी आसा, तांची निमोनिया कमी आसा. सो तुमका थ्रेट टू लायफ कमी आसा. सो ह्या अर्थान तुम्ही तो वॅक्सीन घेवंक जाय एज अ इम्युनिटी बुस्टर. प्लस इट गिव्स यू अ गुड काइंड ऑफ रेजिस्टन्स टू द व्हायरस. आणि हांव परत सांगता की तुम्ही मातशी केअर घ्या. हो व्हायरस इतलो सादो ना. हो व्हायरसाचे आम्ही सिक्वेन्सिंग चालू करतले, पण त्याच्या पयलीं आतापर्यंत जे आम्ही केसीस पळयल्या आणि डेथ्स पळयल्या हातूंतल्यान इतलेच दिसता की ही वेव मातशी पॉवरफुल आसा. आणि तुम्ही सोशल बिहेवियर मास्क तरी घाला. यू नो देर इज नथिंग बेटर दॅन प्रॉपर बिहेवियर. कितले लॉकडाऊन सुद्धा केला आम्ही, आणि जर तुम्ही बिहेवियर इज नॉट प्रॉपर then that lockdown also cannot help you. Message to the people is, suppose by chance that antigen testing everybody can do, and I will tell you, if person is symptomatic and he gets antigen test even negative, he should treat himself as a COVID case. The time has come to consider them as COVID. म्हणजे हांव कितें म्हणटा, you don't take full-fledged treatment like remdesivir. You take what is been there for preventive measures. Like earlier we were giving HCQS, hydroxychloroquine. Now we are giving favipiravir, and we are also giving we are also giving that doxycycline. So this is there in home isolation kit. This is also available in the pharmacy. No, this protocol is different from home isolation kit. This protocol is also available for everybody on DHS call center, our call center. Okay. Now I see doxycycline, even if you take for 5 days, nothing goes wrong. But what it will give you benefit is it will prevent your severity. What we are trying to say is the time has come, because see, now the infectivity is almost 34%. That means every third case is coming positive. So considering these statistics, and we being very intelligent, we should understand that, see, everybody is coming positive, every third case is coming positive, and if you have slightest symptoms of fever and cough, why you are waiting for 4 or 5 days? My humble request is you start this doxy, you start this ivermectin, and then you will get your protection from cytokine storm, you will get protection from severity. This is only solution left for us now. And to be very, very frank with you and honest, we are going to increase our testing. We are already booked machines for daily testing of almost 4,000 to 5,000. This backlog will also come down soon. Now that we have one vehicle of mobile, the government has taken a decision yesterday. Honorable Chief Minister and Health Minister and our CS has said that we should increase this mobile van. Our respected Health Secretary has taken steps to get more mobile vans. So before these machines are installed, we are getting also mobile vans to do more testing.
Samip Narvekar for GOA 365 from Panaji.
India saw 3 lakh plus daily COVID cases for the first time. This is the world's biggest one-day jump of 3,14,835 coronavirus cases on Thursday. This takes the total tally of cases to 1.59 crore. Meanwhile, 2,104 deaths have been recorded in the last 24 hours, marking the biggest one-day jump and taking the death toll to 1,84,657. Here's more.
Meanwhile, the Supreme Court has taken suo motu cognizance of the COVID-19 situation in the country, stepping in after 6 high courts across the country are hearing petitions involving the crisis of oxygen, beds and the antiviral drug remdesivir in hospitals. Take suo motu cognizance of COVID-related petitions. Issues notice to center. High courts Delhi, Bombay, Sikkim, Madhya Pradesh, Calcutta and Allahabad are hearing petition. Wants to see a national plan on oxygen supply, essential drug and method of vaccination. 5 states account for 60% of the total active cases. Maharashtra is leading with 30.44%, followed by Uttar Pradesh 10.57%, Karnataka 7.69%, Kerala 5.93%, Chhattisgarh 5.36%, while red states contribute 40.1% to active cases. 76% of new cases reported in 10 states. Maharashtra is leading, followed by Uttar Pradesh, Delhi, Karnataka, Kerala, Rajasthan, Chhattisgarh, Madhya Pradesh, Gujarat and Bihar. 81% of new deaths were reported in 10 states. These are Maharashtra, followed by Delhi, Chhattisgarh, Uttar Pradesh, Gujarat, Karnataka, Madhya Pradesh, Punjab, Rajasthan and Jharkhand. Bureau Report, GOA 365.
We will take a short break. Stay with us. Welcome back. The second phase of polls for remaining 5 municipalities are all set to take place on Friday amid rising COVID-19 cases, Section 144 and night curfew. Counting will take place on the 26th April. The campaigns are over for Margaon, Kepe, Sangay, Mormugao and Mapsa. Now these 5 municipalities are eagerly waiting for polls.
Party-backed and independent will try their fate in 25 wards of Margaon, 13 of Kepem, 10 of Sangay, 25 of Mormugao and 20 of Mapsa. The polls will begin from 10 am till 5 pm on 23rd April.
Mormugao municipality has 68,000 voters, and apart from that, polling booths are total 77 polling booths. It covers assembly constituencies of Mormugao, Vasco and also parts of Dabolim assembly constituency. Total sensitive polling booths, 18 booths sensitive already declared करून the additional police staff has been deployed आणि टोटल प्रत्येक पोलिंग बुथार एक टीम, तसं टोटल 77 टीम्स ऑलरेडी आयज आमी डिस्पॅच करतात. रॅलीज आणि हे ऑलरेडी जी गव्हर्मेंट ऑर्डर आयल्या त्या प्रमाणे गॅदरिंग ऑफ मोर दॅन 5 people इज पेंड, सो त्या प्रमाणे इट विल नॉट बी अलाउड. सो डेफिनेटली त्या दिसा जर तशें कोणें केलें जाल्यार ताचेर आमी एक्शनूय घेतलें. आणि कावंटींग जें आसा तें कावंटींग एजंट प्रत्येक एका टेबलाचेर एज पर रुल्स तो आमी अलाव करतले आणि बाकीच्या सगळ्यां खातीर द कावंटींग एरिया वील बी सील्ड. एज ऑफ नाव आमकां जो इनपूट मेळ्ळा त्या प्रमाणे सादारण आमकां 200 पेशंट्स आयडेंटिफाय केल्ले आसा जे वोटींग करपाक शकता लायकली टू वोट. आतां नंबर मायट स्लायटली पर्सेंटेज कमी चड जावंक शकता कित्याक आयचोय दीस आसा, आयजूय कदाचित थोडे आनी मेळूंक शकता. सो त्या प्रमाणे आमी प्रिकॉशन्स म्हणून PPE किट्स जे आसा ते BLOs कडेन पावयल्ले आसा, पावयतले आतां. आनी त्या BLOs जे आसा ते जे कोण पॉझिटीव आसा तांकां ते डिलिव्हर करतले. आनी तशेंच इन रिझर्व पोलिंग स्टेशनाचेरूय सम किट्स वील बी केप्ट.
Hiro Male for GOA 365 from Vasco.
All above the age of 18 can register for their vaccinations from April 28th on the COVID platform and the Arogya Setu app. The government said this on Thursday. They are now eligible for vaccination from May 1st. India faces the world's worst COVID surge as its daily cases surpass the US today.
Apart from Serum Institute of India's Covishield and Bharat Biotech's Covaxin, Russia's Sputnik V will soon be used, the government says. The center will continue to vaccinate those declared eligible so far, frontline workers, health workers and those above 45. GOA 365 Bureau.
We shall slip into a short break. Stay with us. Welcome back. A huge scam took place at Vasco during Jose Philip's tenure. Councillor Daji Salkar was also part of it, alleged Vasco MLA Carlos Almeida on Thursday, saying he will approach court on this.
In the backdrop of municipal election, BJP Vasco Mandal lashed out at Daji Salkar along with the NCP president Jose Philip. They alleged that they both want to take credit of the work done by the MLA, bring family Raj. Also, both Jose and Daji are involved in huge land scam. Watch the heated politics as elections are scheduled tomorrow.
Then Jose Philip was the revenue minister. Revenue minister and Daji Salkar he is about to come that land. So there is a scam of Daji Salkar and Jose Philip. And there is job chalta Jose Philip and Daji Salkar police on. So there is a major scam involving Jose Philip and Daji Salkar. And not allegation, I am with proof. I have given with black and white proof. Kaveri Hotel जागो Daji Salkar and Gelolo is Komdad land. It's grant. And the hours of the Zago Ikpazena. The hours of the Zago Komdad Zago you can't sell and Iklo on Delhi Valley Zago. So this is a major scam that is there. That is scam with the revenue officials. And now case file. I asked for legal, waiting for my legal opinion. Now the case file करू पण त्याची दाजी again.
नाही आम्ही कितें आसता की कावन्सील इलेक्शनाक जेन्ना आमी फुडें वयता त्या वेळाचेर कावन्सिलाचें काम कितें कावन्सील सिटीचें आतां मॅनिफेस्टोन कितें घातलां की दोनी स्ट्रीट आमी करता अंडरग्रावंड केबलिंग करता तें प्रपोजल आमी फुडें घातलां आनी चर्च स्क्वेअर हाय मास्क हें सगळें गजाली सांगता की कावन्सिलान आपूण केलां म्हणून पूण इट इज नॉट. हांव जेन्ना GTDC बोर्ड ऑफ डायरेक्टर आसलो त्या वेळाचेर आमी फॉलोअप केलें चर्च स्क्वेअर ब्युटिफिकेशन अंडर टुरिझम. ते आमदार कार्लोस आल्मेडांनी प्रपोजल घातलेलें हाय मास्क घालचें म्हणून. अंडरग्रावंड केबलिंग मिनिस्टर मिलिंद नायक होता त्या वेळाचेर फॉलोअप केलें. बायणाचें अंडरग्रावंड केबलिंग केलें तशेंच सिटीचेंय करपाचें म्हणून. हें सगळें आपल्याक श्रेय घेवप हें खंय तरी लोकांची दिशाभूल करता म्हणून आमी. अरे कावन्सिलाक जेन्ना तुमी उबे रावता सांगा मरे कितें काम केलां फुटपाथां केलीं हें केलीं म्हणून काम जाता जायना तशें. आमी कॉन्फिडंट आहा आमचे जितले कॅन्डिडेट आमी उबे केला वॉर्ड नंबर 10 ते 12 आमी सगळे जिखून येता म्हणून. कारण बरे कॅन्डिडेट दवरला महिला दवरल्या युवा दवरल्या. आमी खंय तरी म्हज्या बायलेक कार्लोस आल्मेदा हेणें आपल्या बायलेक दवरपाचें 10 नंबरान म्हाका म्हणटाले की तुज्या बायलेक दवरूंक ना आमी फॅमिली राज करूंक ना. जुजे फिलिप डिसोजान आपल्या बायलेक दवरला. दाजी सरकारान आपल्या बायलेक दवरला.
Hiro Male for GOA 365 from Vasco.
Now for the weather. Dry weather prevailed over the state on Thursday. There was no large change in maximum temperature over North and South Goa districts of the state, but it may rain after a couple of days. Here's more.
Temperatures were normal over North and South Goa districts with the highest maximum temperature of 34.2 degrees centigrade being recorded at Panji. There was no rainfall recorded in the state. GOA 365 Bureau with inputs from IMD.
With that, we have come to the end of this news bulletin. For more news and updates, log into our website www.goa365.tv. Follow us on Facebook Goa 365 TV and subscribe our YouTube channel Goa 365 TV, or Download our app on both Android and iPhones to watch it on your mobile. Keep watching Goa 365.